My cat's name is Maggie. Loves lying on my dad's legs.
My name's dog is Matilda, and she likes to play with me and sit next to a fire.
My dog's called Molly and snuggling with me.
My cat is called Stephen. He always gives me a cuddle when I get hurt.
My animal's name is Tabsy, and he's a cat. He loves snuggles.
My pet is called Myrtle. She loves hugs. I have a pet dog and her name is Indy. She likes barking at everyone who walks past.
My cat's name is Chester, and the thing I like about him is that he doesn't actually meow. He just goes meep, 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 because he's too lazy. Meep, meep, meep.
I have a pet called Shinx, and he's a miniature schnauzer dog. He sleeps on his kennel all day on the top.
My cat's name is Cookie. When she rolls up, she looks like a chocolate chip cookie. Meep, 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 meep. My dog's name is Roxy. When I go to sleep, she always comes in my room and sleeps with me. My dog's name is William. Meep, meep, meep.
My dog's name is Iggy. He's Huggly. I have a dog called Louie, funny and fast and playful.
Meep, 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 meep. My pet's name is Enzo and chasing small birds and stuff.
I have a dog named Jet. I like him because he's big and scary.
My pet's name is Ghosty. How I like him is because he bounces all around. Pet's name is Indy. Pet's called Poncho. My cat's called Charlie. Meep, 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 meep.